Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill, we're in Thailand and we're talking Forex. Traders, great to be with you on a Thursday. It is the 9th of November 2017 and yeah, things are happening. The Kiwi came out with some data this morning. As you can see, we'll take a look at this first and we'll get to the charts. Interest rate, they held as we expected, no change there. They had and the markets liked it. And the New Zealand dollar just went to the roof. Actually took out Monday's highs. Like I said, we'll talk to that in just a moment. What else we got? Climate account change out of Japan. It was a bad number, 2.271. And what else we got? Aussie home loans, bad number, 2.3%. And what do we got? Invest housing finance, 6.2, but no forecast. Moving along, we got PPI year-on-year, CPI year-on-year, month-on-month out of China. Looks like we have unemployment rate out of the Swiss today, about an hour and 15 minutes before the London Open. We have ECB Economic Bulletin today, and also we have a ECB member speaking as normal, as they do. Jobless claims and also new housing price index out of the CAD today. What else we got going on? Not much in the U.S. Natural gas storage. That looks like about it, my friends. Not a lot in the U.S. session today. Initial jobless claims, yeah, not much. Nothing out of the Great British Pound today. The Euro session looks pretty tame, to be honest. We got German trade balance today for September. All right, that's what's going on. If we take a look at what's going on tomorrow on a Friday, not much is going on in Asia. RBA monetary policy statement comes out in Asia tomorrow, so we'll keep an eye on that. All right, let's take a look up and see what's going on with our gold. Gold is at $1,281.43. We have Brent oil is at 63.51. Nice. And WTI is at 56.84. Let's take a look at our indices, how the markets close. I read this morning early, taking the highs in the market. S&P futures up 0.06%. NASDAQ futures up 0.04%. Dow 30 up 0.03%. Small cap 2000 0.16 in the green. DAX is in the green 0.02%, with the Nikkei 225 at 1.18%. The dollar index is up 0.09%. They're saying it's because of the anniversary of Trump being elected. What? Okay. They have to put something out there so you read it. That is just crazy, isn't it? All right, let's get to the charts, my friends. Let's take a look. This is the New Zealand dollar. Now, take a look at this. This is a spectacular trade for today. And I am in this trade at 0.6962 is where I entered this. So what do we have here? What we have here is, if you take a look at the fib that I have on the chart, this is from Monday, right? We talked about this pair on Monday. And we talked about that spike of price action. It took out that spike and then came back down, right? You see where the arrow is, where it came back down. Now, this went down sideways, and of course yesterday and today with that data coming out, spiked up, and now it took out that previous high. So I said, well, this is resistance, and this is going to come back to a mean level. Whatever that level is mean, you know, meaning the average, meaning the, you know, where price levels out, where it takes it easy, right? And it looks like it did it at the 78.6 Fibonacci level, and that's all right. Now we got the fight down to the downside. We want to take this down basically to 6110, 6100. I like to do it before the double zeros. I don't want to get bounced early, right? So I'll probably get out there at the teal line, which is a 55 exponential moving average, and we'll just get out of there. So nice trade on this New Zealand. And folks, if you're not in it, don't worry. This trade's going to keep on going. You're going to get, this is going to bounce. This is going to go up and down, right? This isn't going to move down in a straight line. This is going to hit every level, and it's going to make a reaction, right? It's going to react at every level, and that's what we expect. It looks like a nice trade today. You know, we're probably going to be in this trade most of the day. I don't see this being a 2 or 3 hour trade. As we talked about the sentiment of the market yesterday, you can see we're basically, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I'm prepared to be in this trade 6 or 7 hours. You know, Normally, or before, not normally, but before, I'd be in this trade 3 hours, I'd be done. But this isn't the way the markets are today. The other thing I want to make a point of, and we'll move on, is that 5 exponential moving average is on top of price. That's what we want to see. And eventually, hopefully through the day, the 20 and then the 55 will be on top of price to get us through that 200 exponential moving average for a continuation of the trade to the downside. All right, let's take a look at the, what did we do yesterday? It was the Aussie, wasn't it? Yeah, it was the Aussie. Yeah, let's take a look at the Aussie. See what's going on with the Oz. All right, so the Aussie took the move to the downside already, right? Now, this is in a good spot. I've got to be honest with you. This is in a good spot. Remember, my bias on both these pairs is bearish. I just want to sell these. I do not want to buy these. All right, so we're bearish on this, and we're looking to take this to the downside. We're below the 200 exponential moving average. Let's wait another candle or two. Let's see if we can lock this in. We'll take this Aussie for a short trade, hopefully in about an hour or an hour and a half from here. Nice, nice, nice. All the exponential moving averages are above price. That's what we like to see. Above price, it'll push it down and keep us in that trend. Look at this chart. This chart, you know, just shows you this is just bearish. It's on a down move, and this is only a 30-minute chart. All right, that's our 2 charts for today, traders. Thank you so much for being with me. We'll catch you on Monday. As you know, Friday, I do not do a video as I have another obligation. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders, see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care now. Bye-bye.